Prime Minister Imran Khan on Friday, while briefing the nation about the prevailing situation in the country regarding COVID-19, said Pakistan Army will help police to ensure implementation on the coronavirus standard operating procedures. In a televised address after a meeting of the National Command and Operation Center in Islamabad, he regretted that the people are currently not observing caution. He warned if the people did not comply with the health guidelines, we will have to impose complete lockdowns in cities. Imran Khan COVID said cases are surging rapidly, but his government is not going towards complete lockdown as it will affect the poor the most. He advised all citizens to wear face mask, which will reduce half of the problem. The Prime Minister gave example of India, which is facing shortage of oxygen, and said people must observe the SOPs to save Pakistan from going in that condition. Imran Khan also said that SOPs should be followed in mosques. Asad Umar announced further restrictions to stop the spread of the pandemic and said schools will remain closed in areas with positivity ratio of more than 5%, while outdoor dining has also been banned till night after indoor dining. He said offices will close at 2 p.m. and asked people to complete their Eid preparations without waiting for last days to avoid large gatherings. Speaking on the occasion, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on National Health Services Dr. Faisal Sultan urged the general public to strictly follow the SOPs to stay safe from coronavirus. The third wave is spreading faster than that of the previous ones, he said. Dr. Faisal said pressure on the health system is increasing as we are using 90% of our oxygen. He said the intensity of the pandemic is surging in the society, therefore, we need to be more cautious.
यहाँ पे रश ना बनाएं जी, अंदर चले जाए, अंदर जाके बैठ सकते हैं, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आगे दूसरी चीज इधर है, आपको पता है लास्ट में आया था, आपको याद है आप लोगों के पास